Okay, so I did something bad. I'm not supposed to spend anymore because I don't have any money. As in, like, really no money left. But I couldn't resist. I was in Shangri yesterday. And surprisingly, the Gucci store there had these in my size. Mind you guys, I'm a 6 US, so that means I get a size down for European brands, and that means I am a size 5 for brands like Gucci, Ferragamo, etc. And it's so hard to find a size 6 for men. And even for US brands, I can't find my size, meaning real size 6. It's so hard to find a size for me. So I tend to order, online, like Farfetch, Mr. Porter, etc. So yeah, even if I didn't have money, I had to buy it. I really didn't have to, but it's me being dramatic. So it's these Gucci loafers. Horsebit loafers. They're so cute. It's so nice. They're really pretty. And most of all, they fit me. So, that's the best of all. See there? It's a size 5. Yeah. I feel bad. By the way, if you have any recommendations of like a sole protector, because at this rate, I will not be able to buy anything anymore. So let me know. Hit the comments or comments for any recommendations. Thank you. Bye.